Here at Heritage Grove, we are committed to giving you multiple options to securely protect your financial information. And with the Two Factor Authenticator app, this has never been easier. The first thing you'll need to do to set up a two-factor authentication app for our two-step verification is to first download and install a two-factor authentication app through your device's app store. In the settings menu under Two-Factor Authentication, you will see a new option, Two-Factor Authentication App. To enable this, select the pencil icon and select Enroll. A QR code will then be provided, and using the Authenticator app of your choice, scan this QR code and your app will now show you the times 2FA code labeled Heritage Grove Credit Union and then your name. Using the code that is displayed by your app, type this into the box shown here. This will prompt you to verify this action via a separate 2FA method, which should be email or SMS. This will be required if you do not have required two-factor authentication for each login enabled. Once you are enrolled, the on-off switch will no longer be grayed out, and you can switch this to the on position. This will then make the two-factor authentication app option available when you are prompted for a two-step verification. The code shown in your app is time-based, meaning that it is consistently changing and is only active for a brief amount of time. This makes it both easier to access as you don't require to be sent a notification of your temporary code, but also more secure as there is no communication of secure information. Now when you try an action that requires two-step verification, such as logging in, you will see the 2FA app option as well as your other methods, as we will show here. You can enter the code that appears in the app in the space provided, and you will be able to access your accounts easily and securely. If you have any further questions, please send us a message or give us a call. We would love to hear from you.